I know you had asked about this question before, so I got a different one. It's just got different numbers, but I'm going to go through and show you how to correctly graph this absolute value. So we're going to begin by first filling in our table. And so we plug in our value for x. So minus 2 minus 10, that makes it a minus 12. And the absolute value of a negative 12 is a positive 12. So that's our first piece. Then we're going to plug in 10. 10 minus 10 makes it 0. And the absolute value of 0 is 0. Next, we've got 13. So 13 minus 10 is 3. And the absolute value of 3 is 3. So now that we have our ordered pairs, we're going to graph this. So we're going to click on Enlarge the Graph here. This is an absolute value. So we want to pick the icon for the absolute value tool. It looks like a V. So we'll click on that. Now, when we go to graph this, we're first going to have to begin by finding our vertex. And the vertex is these ordered pairs with the 0 in it. So the one that has a 0 in it right here for the y value, well, that's going to be our vertex. So we're first going to plot that point 10 on the x-axis, 0 on the y-axis. So that's going to be right about there at 10, 0. Now, to make the V-shaped graph that we need another point. And so the next point I'm going to use is the first one here at minus 2, positive 12. So we're going to go back minus 2, and then up all the way to 12 here. Okay, make sure it lines up right. And that's going to be our next point, minus 2, positive 12. Once we have the 2 points, we don't have to draw the third one. So then we just click Save, and then you can check your answer, and we see that we did it correctly.